Good morning, children. Now, today we go for exercise number 2.2, which is on the base of place value, successor, predecessor, and the pattern or expanded form. On these questions, we have to go and we make you to solve, or I may make you to understand the questions and solve them easily. The first question is, find the place value of the underlined digit in each of the following. If sometimes the question will be given like this, that some digits are given and that digits one number, particular number will be underlined. एक नंबर को अंडरलाइन किया जाता है, उस नंबर का प्लेस वैल्यू अपने को बताना है. इन दिस नंबर, इस नंबर में हमें देखना है कि 3 जो है वो अंडरलाइन किया हुआ है. तो 3 कौन से प्लेस में है? 3 जो नंबर है वो कौन से प्लेस में है? Ones, tens, 100 and it is 1000. 1000 means we have to write place value of 3 equals 3. आगे कितने डिजिट्स है? 1 2 3. then simply put 3 zeros. Like this we can identify the value of that particular digit easily. And in this question, that is question number C, the 8 will be underlined. 8 will be underlined. In this 8 is in which place it is? Ones, tens, hundreds, 1000, 10,000 and it is lakh. Lakh means we have to write in the same way, that is place value of 8 equals, simply write 8. Then put these zeros. Put these zeros. That's 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. It means the value of 8 is 8 lakh. The value of 8 is 8 lakh. Like this, you can solve the remaining questions of question number 1. Then question number 2. Find the value find the place value of each of the digits in the following. Place value of each of the digit in the following. The first question is, two one three five zero four. 21350. We have to find the place value of all these numbers. हमें इन सभी नंबरों का प्लेस वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करना है. तो सिंपली हमें क्या करना है? प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ, पहले लिख लेते हैं 2, देन प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ 1 equals place value of 3 equals place value of 5 equals place value of 0 equals place value of 4 equals. This is one method. Now other method is Simply make a chart. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh. Here 2, 1, 3, 5, 0, 4. तो यहाँ पे क्या हुआ? प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ 2 कितना हुआ? 2. पहले लिखना है 2, देन 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 जीरोस लगाने हैं. In the same way, दूसरा 1, then put 4 zeros. Then third one 3, put 3 zeros. Then 5, put double 0. Then the place value of 0 is in the place of tens. Then simply put double 0. Then place value of 4, we can write it as 4. This is the way how we find the place value of given all digits. Place value of each of the digits which are given in the question. इस तरीके से हम ये वे पूरे नंबरों के यानी ऑल नंबर्स के हम प्लेस वैल्यू को फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. अगेन फाइंड द क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. Find the difference between the place value of of 8 in 4, 8, 9, 6, 5, 0, 0 and 1, 5, 8, 0, 7, 7, 6. अब इस क्वेश्चन में हमें देखना है कि यहाँ पे 2 नंबर्स दिए हुए हैं. दिस इज 1 and second one is this one. In between 2 numbers we have 8 in both the numbers. Here it is here and in this it is here. Now we have to find the difference in between 2 numbers. Then simply go for chart. Ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. That is 4, 8, 9, 6, 5, 0, 0. That is ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. अब नेक्स्ट इस नंबर को लेना है. दैट इज 15, 8, 0, 7, 7, 6. अब हमने ये दोनों नंबर यहाँ पे राइट डाउन कर लिया है. अब इन दोनों नंबरों पे हमें कंपेयर करना है. तो पहले नंबर का द फर्स्ट नंबर 8 विल बी हियर. इट इज इन द प्लेस ऑफ lakh. It is in the place of lakh. Then place value of 8 equals कितना हुआ? 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. That is 50. Next, second number में the 8 will be under 10,000 place. Yeah, 8 will be under 10,000 place. Then again we have to write place value of 8 equals how much place? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have to write here, then put 4 zeros. Because after 8 we have 4 digits. Instead of writing the digits, we have to put zeros. Now we have to deduct it. We have to subtract the numbers from above number. The below number will be subtracted by the from above number. That is 0 minus 0, it is 0. 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 Now 0 minus 8, we don't have number. Then again borrow. It comes 10. Here it is 7. 10 minus 8, it is 2. Now 7. That is 7,20,000. The difference is 7,20,000. Like this, we can find the difference in between the two numbers. Now we can go for expanded form. That is, expanded form means we have to write it in the detail with place value. The number will be expanded with the help of place value and it is written in the place value. Question number 4. Write in expanded form. That is question number 1. 1, 2, 3, 5, 2, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 2, 7. Now, first we have to write it as, to get easily the value of numbers, we can make a chart. That is, it is so simple that we have to draw a chart. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh. That is 1, 2, 3, 5, 2, 7. Now, 1 is in the place of lakh. That is 1, 00, 1. Then these 2, then these 3 numbers. That is 3 digits. Plus by it is not necessary to put a comma in this place. Now second one, it is in 10,000 place, then put 2, again we have to put 4 zeros. Then 3, again we put 3 zeros. Then 5, again we put 00, then 2, 10 plus 7. This is what it is called expanded form. This is called expanded form. Like this you can write the remaining numbers. Now question number 5. Write it in the short form. Reverse of this question, we have to write in the short form. Now the question will be come in this way and we have to write it in the numerals, that is unit numbers. First question is 30,000 plus 700 plus 80 plus 4. In this way, in this question we can know that here it is 30,000. It is in the thousands place, and it is hundreds place, it is tens place, and it is fourth place, ones place. That is 30,000 3. Then where the thousand place? It is in the place of 10,000. But what? Where the thousands place? So instead of confusing, we can simply put 0 here. Then in hundreds place it is 7. Then tens place it is 8. And ones place it is 4. Like this we can make it short. Like this we can make the expander form into short form. Again, question number 6. Successor. Write the successor of the following. That is 29,099. As I told in the earlier classes, to make the given number as a successor number, simply we have to add 1. Then we get the successor number. It is 29,100. It is 29,100. Like this, B. 34,999. 34,999. Again, we have to plus 1 and we can get the successor number. That is 35,000. Like this, the remaining question will be written from you. You can do it in the home and make me to check. Write the predecessor of the following questions. Now, question number 7. Question number 1. 69,100. 69,100. Here in successor we have added 1, but in predecessor we can minus 1. We can make minus 1, then we get the correct answer of predecessor. That given number will be deducted from 1 is deducted from the given number, then we automatically we get the answer. 69 the same. The number will be changed in this place. That is 69,000. 100 minus 1, it is 99. Like this we can write 69,099. Then second one, B. 1,20,000. 1,20,000. In this again we have to minus 1, then 1,19,999. Because it is how it comes, that simply we can minus it. Minus 1, that is it will not come 0 minus 1, then we can borrow from here 10. 10 minus 1, it is 9. Here we get 9, here again we get 9, here again we get 9, here it is 1. Now 9, below there is no number, that is 9. Here also it is no number, then it is also no number, then 1, then 1. Like this we can find the predecessor of the following numbers. Now, observe the pattern and write the next 4 numbers. Observe the pattern on the basis of pattern, write other 4 numbers. The question is, $10,501, $10,501, $10,511, $10,521. Now, here the tens place number will be, all numbers are same instead of tens place. Instead of tens place. In the tens place, number will be changed by 1 by 1. That is from 0 to 1, 1 to 2. Then we have to write it as 10,531, then 10,532, 41, then again 10,551, and lastly 10,561. Like this, the second one will be 23,709, 23,709, 22, 23,700, 3,699, then 23,689. In this, the number will be reversed or deducted from the tens place. The number will be deducted from the tens place or skipped by 10 numbers reversely. That is, here it is 709, here it is 699, then 689. Now we can write that 23,679, then 23,669, then 23,659, and lastly it is 23,649. Like this, the exercise will be completed. The remaining numbers which I have left in the exercise, we have to left-handed questions will be left-handed questions are homework for you all. Try it in the home and make them to solve them and make me to check it. Okay, thank you. Bye.